So we are in the Botanical Garden in Tortola, and this is several tree stumps that pulled out of the ground, right? Because that's the dirt. That's where the roots were on this side. Probably don't see anything there though, but you can see they cut all the trees off. 1, 2, there's 6 or so. I'm going to try to maneuver these stairs, but they don't look sturdy. Be nothing worse than breaking your leg on a cruise, right? Especially at the beginning of the cruise, in the first port. And I'm down. Hey, it's Janet. See what I mean? So this was here, and then it tipped over in a hurricane or something maybe. Still sprinkling a little bit, so there may be some water on the lens. And of course a lot of water dripping off the plants. And water dripping on my face, but that's sweat, because it is humid. Humid, humid. Although in here it's cool. But you know, hear the water? Bet you can hear it now. What's this sign say? Plants of the British Virgin Islands. This is a plumeria.
Oh my goodness. Why is it that big?
So I have several of these in our yard. I'm surprised there's not one flower on it though. That seems odd. Very colorful, very Caribbean. Or Caribbean, as you like. Some yellow flowers. And look at these guys. I'm going to turn the camera upside down.
And then these, which look almost the same, but they grow up instead of down.
Confusing? Yay, cactus. Of course, there's cactus all over the Virgin Islands, right? And cannons too, probably.
Yeah.
Like that one. And chickens. More chickens. Why did the chicken cross the road? I see a red bench and I want to leave it red. Hey, bathrooms. The last bathrooms we came to were locked over in Queen Elizabeth II Park. Hibiscus. And these are pretty remote, and this says mail on it, and it's unlocked.
Going to the other side.
So I'm going to go in here. Looks like it might rain again. Look at this though. It's really overgrown, huh? Want some seed pods? Oh, look at those.
Oh, wow.
Shroom. If I knew the names of all these plants, I would be telling you. I just don't. But we did see the red version of this. And now this is the orange, yellow. See how overgrown it is? Chickens. So we're going to cut across the lawn because, well, that's the only thing we can do.